Today we talk about how can you enable strict reminders notifications on your Reddit app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You go down here, click on settings. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on account settings. So then you go down here until you will find manage notifications. So you just click on manage notifications. You come to this list here, then you go down here until you will find here strict reminders. Just click on it. Click here on all on. So like you see here, strict reminders notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.